Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to host a multiplayer lobby in Pass the Fear. Let's begin by opening the multiplayer window. From here, select Create Lobby. Let's set a lobby name. I'll set it as Test. Select difficulty. You can set either Journey, Common, or Other if you unlock them, actually, from what I know. I only have those two unlocked. You can select the player limit. It goes as high as 4 or as low as 2. You can change the lobby type between public lobby and private lobby. And you can select if you want this to be a Steam lobby or local network lobby. Once you make your lobby, simply hit confirm. As you can see, here is the lobby code. If you want to invite your friends, you can copy this lobby code, then hit confirm. Then you can simply send this lobby code to your friends, and with this they can join your lobby. Let me showcase to you how to actually join the lobby. You will need to go to a multiplayer, then switch from search by name to search by code, and simply paste in the code your friend sent to you. Then hit enter, and this will join you to the lobby that was created. As you can see, of course, I won't join to my lobby because I closed it. But for you, it should actually work. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.